What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cole, otherwise known as Cole-ep, coming at you today with another video. Now, this video is pretty sick, pretty freaking awesome. It is one of D.R.E.A.M clothing's pieces. Now, it's not just any piece. They do these mystery bags every so often, and I happen to get my hands on one in my size. Basically, I got one for Black Friday. It was like a Black Friday Cyber Monday kind of deal, and I tried to record a video for that one, but I kind of messed up, so I didn't end up posting it anywhere or anything. So this is technically my second mystery bag. It is in this bag. I have not opened up the packaging or anything yet, so I'm excited to open this, kind of see what's in here, and then, you know, obviously review everything. So, like I said, guys, D.R.E.A.M clothing, if you guys don't know me or anything about them, they are a clothing company based out of LA, California. They donate a lot of their proceeds. I believe it's 10% of their gross earnings go out to mental health organizations. So they raise awareness. They raise lots and lots of money every year for mental health, which is amazing. I highly support that. And I just got affiliated and sponsored by them. So you guys can use my affiliation link. I'll drop that in the description below. And you guys can also use code COLE at checkout for 10% off. So that's awesome. Just wanted to say that right away to get that out of the way of the video. In this package, I believe is a duffel bag. I'm not sure though. Last time it was a duffel bag and I had about 3 items in it. So basically this right here, I paid $75 for, and I'm guaranteed $185 worth of clothing / accessories. I know sometimes they do stickers and like pins and stuff like that. We're gonna open it up, obviously dive into it, show you guys what I got in here, and talk about, you know, the quality of everything. So here we go. Now, I will say before I open this, each size of the bags that they do, whenever they do mystery bags, each size has 2 mega bags. 2 mega bags that have 50, I think it's $40 to $50 extra of clothing. So you could get lucky. Maybe I got lucky. We'll see. Maybe I got one of the mega bags. I don't know. So I will say that this could be a mega bag, because I bought it around the time they still had the mega bags, but it could be a mega bag with $40 to $50 extra worth of clothing. So let's see what we got here. It does not look like a duffel bag like I got last time. And I know they didn't really advertise this one as a duffel bag. It kind of was just bag. So that is totally understandable. But it looks like right off the top here, it looks like we got a hoodie. We did get a hoodie. It looks like a nice mint hoodie. We're going to open this up to show it off. And like I said, I am an XL in shirts, hoodies, pants, sweatpants, all that stuff. I am size XL. I'm a very large dude. Large dude. Large dude. Shut your stupid. So all of their clothing always comes with these nice little kind of business cards. If you guys want to pause the video and read that. I know it's kind of blurry a little bit, but if you want to pause the video and read that, it's kind of just a nice little thank you for supporting their brand, their company, and buying their clothing. So this is one of their past drops hoodies. This is a "You are bad for my mental health." That's what it says, embroidered across the middle there. And I will show you guys a little bit bigger there. So, "You are bad for my mental health," which is awesome. I love this hoodie. I've seen lots of my friends actually just got this hoodie, and I've seen a lot of people have this hoodie in general in different colors and stuff. So this is one from one of their past drops. I believe you can actually still get this one on the website. Currently, I think it's still on the website. Don't get me wrong, or don't get mad at me if I'm wrong, but I believe it's still on the website. So that's the hoodie. Their hoodies are very, very nice quality, especially these ones are very, very nice. Not super thick, not super, you know, thin either, but it'll definitely keep you warm. Very, very nice quality. So yeah, that's the first piece of the mystery bag. It looks like we got it looks like the Silent Fight red joggers, I believe. I actually already own the red tie-dye ones, but I do not have this red pair. So let's see if we can open this up here. So these are the red Silent Fight joggers. In this kanji writing here, this does say Silent Fight. I believe it reads this way. And then it says D.R.E.A.M here, and then D.R.E.A.M rules everything around me. So these are the red Silent Fight joggers, and I do have the red and black tie-dye ones, which I will show you guys after we finish the bag. I'll show you guys that real quick. Another piece that we got from the bag, and it looks like there's only one more thing here. I believe there's only one more thing, it looks like. This is a piece from their new activewear. I'll put the link in the description below of the Dreamer activewear if you guys want to check them out. But this looks like some joggers from their new activewear. These are the reflective joggers. They're not really reflective, but they're like a nylon. But that's the Dreamer Active logo. It's a little bit different than the D.R.E.A.M logo from the D.R.E.A.M clothing. But it has 2 pockets on the side here. And then they're really thin. I think that is everything that was in the bag. Yes, that is actually everything that was in the bag. So, awesome stuff though. Honestly, let me show you guys the other pair of joggers that I have. Like I said, I do have the red and black Silent Fight tie-dye joggers. And these were not from the bag. I bought these on their own. So I just wanted to show you guys compared to the red ones. It's pretty cool now. It's pretty cool that I have the red ones instead of just the red tie-dye ones. So yeah, guys, that's the mystery bag. They do these mystery bags every so often. Like I said, I got one around their Black Friday sale they had going on, so I got one then. This is the second official one I got from D.R.E.A.M. One more time, I am now sponsored with D.R.E.A.M Clothing. If you guys would like to check out the website, DreamClothingHQ.com. You guys can use code COLE at checkout for 10% off. Maybe in the future that percent will go up, who knows, we'll see. And you can also order from my affiliate link and actually get a little bit of commission from that as well. That is DreamClothingHQ.com/Cole-Lepper. That is my affiliate link if you guys want to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Honestly, like I said, I love D.R.E.A.M Clothing. I've been buying and wearing their stuff now for the past like 2 months, and I absolutely vouch for this company. I absolutely love what they do for mental health, and their designs and their overall quality is just amazing. It's honestly like second to none. I think this company's gonna blow up this year. So looking forward to what they do this year. Looking forward to, they're actually moving into a new warehouse soon, so I'm looking forward to that. They're gonna have a lot more pieces available, a lot more drops coming out. So keep an eye out for D.R.E.A.M Clothing, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed. Make sure you leave a comment down below what you thought of the mystery bag, what you think of the company, if you've checked them out, if there's any pieces you're looking forward to, any pieces you own, let me know. As always, guys, subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys once again for watching the video. Really do appreciate it. And you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Much love.